Work from home jobs, teach English remotely online. Want to teach English online? Wouldn't that be amazing? English is the most popular language in the world. Everyone wants to learn it, and there are abundant opportunities for teaching English. English is a demanding language. You have to find the right place for tutoring. So, you have come to the right place. The internet is full of opportunities for teaching English and making money from home. But it can be hard to know where to start, or how much you can make, or what kind of qualifications you need. That is why we created this guide as a one-stop resource for everything an aspiring English teacher needs to know about teaching on the internet. Teaching English online is fun. Teaching English online is a fun way to make money while traveling. Traveling might be expensive, but if you teach online while you travel, you can enjoy new experiences without worrying about paying for your accommodation or food. Many people think that they can only work in person abroad. However, there are many opportunities for teaching English as a foreign language on Skype and other services available today. And here we bring you the top sites on which you can teach English online. Each of the 10 websites on this list having different requirements and qualities are all teaching opportunities for English tutoring. The websites below might be perfect for you if you are looking for a way to make money by teaching English. Number 1 of the websites you can work at remotely from anywhere as an English teacher is VipKid. Teach English online with this website, which advertises itself as the best digital kindergarten in China and has the youngest students worldwide. The website offers flexible schedules and hourly wages from $14 to $20 per hour. Number 2 of the websites you can work at remotely from anywhere as an English teacher is Hujiang. Teach English online for Chinese with this website that provides contract-free online ESL classes and requires that teachers hold a bachelor's degree in any subject. Wages start at $9 per hour with no contract required. Number 3 of the websites you can work at remotely from anywhere as an English teacher is iTutor Group. This website is a network of online tutoring agencies and has job opportunities in the United States, Germany, France, and Spain. Teachers can sign up for free and apply to teach any subject. Wages range from $8 per hour to $22 per hour with increased pay if you have certifications or more experience teaching English. Number 4 of the websites you can work at remotely from anywhere as an English teacher is Cambly. As a much more informal learning environment, Cambly differs a lot from VipKid and Magic Ear. You will teach people who already speak English well and are mainly trying to improve their conversation skills. The pay is $10 per hour. Number 5 of the websites you can work at remotely from anywhere as an English teacher is Hungry Minds. This tutoring company has job postings for Canada, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Ireland, and the UK. The minimum wage on this site is around $13 per hour. Teachers must have at least 1 year of teaching English as a second language, ESL. Number 6 of the websites you can work at remotely from anywhere as an English teacher is Language School. Teach English online with this website teaches ESL to Chinese children ages 4 to 14 years old and guarantees 60 hours of teaching per month. Wages start at $9 per hour. Teachers must hold at least a bachelor's degree and be proficient in English with intermediate to advanced Chinese fluency. Number 7 of the websites you can work at remotely from anywhere as an English teacher is Magic Ears. Teach English online with this website where teachers from the United States and Canada find Magic Ears to be the best choice for teaching English online. It was founded in 2017, offers English teachers a convenient alternative to live classrooms. The platform connects teachers with Chinese students aged 4 to 12. In this platform, the tutors teach English to Chinese students. It takes 25 minutes to take classes and earns up to $26 per hour. Number 8 of the websites you can work at remotely from anywhere as an English teacher is Englishtown. Teach English online with this website that offers to teach English online in flexible schedules, hourly pay from $12 to $30 with no contract required, and the ability to tutor all ages in a wide range of subjects. Teachers earn up to a $120 bonus per week on Englishtown. Number 9 of the websites you can work at remotely from anywhere as an English teacher is Verbal Planet. Teach English online with this website requires that their teachers hold at least an associate's degree and offers virtual classes where you can teach children anywhere in the world. Wages start at $11 per hour without any previous teaching experience necessary. Number 10 of the websites you can work at remotely from anywhere as an English teacher is Education First. Teach English online with this well-known school worldwide for its English classes. Nevertheless, both Americans and British citizens can apply for online English teaching jobs through this company. This company has been teaching English online for 50 years now and has a good reputation. Their pay rate is $19 per hour. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.